Hey up, it's Simon with Rooting for the Planet, and these are part of the 18,000 trees planted by Yorkshire Water in these fields here, these old grazing fields, stretching right up the hillside. One thing I wanted to talk about, because today's subject is health, self-sufficiency, and part of that is getting a pension. If you're in England or if you're here in the UK, I've got sons and a daughter. They're all working full time, just making sure that they're paying into a pension, which is a legal requirement now for an employer to offer a pension to an employee. And I'd recommend highly that as soon as you can, look at that ash, as soon as you can, young squirrel jumping across there, you get paid into a pension. It's usually a 5% of your wage, and the employer matches that. So the employer has to find money, obviously, then, as well as your tax and national insurance contributions out of your wage, to pay a pension. And there's something called compound interest. So your pension's invested in the stock market in various ways by pension specialists, and then it will just multiply and it will double. Roughly every 7 years your pension will be twice the size it was, and as it grows and grows and grows, that's the idea of a pension, because we just can't guarantee how much the state pension is going to be. So here in the United Kingdom there's national insurance contributions. Everybody that pays them will, by the age of 67 at the moment, get a state pension. But goodness knows what that's going to look like in the future. So private pensions have come in to fill that gap, so that people who are working are paying into private pensions as well as contributing to a state pension. So yeah, we'll see on that one, but I highly recommend part of your self-sufficiency regime and looking after your self-welfare. If you can't work, the government pay your national insurance contributions while you're on benefits here in England. So you will get some state pension as you age. So there is that benefit there. Oh, beautiful big old sycamore right next to this whole gate system here. Go on.